Hello everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel, and today I am coming along with a promise video that I had mentioned about on Friday, and this is for our mini everything swap that we are hosting. Me and Tree from CraftOn are hosting for a swap. Anyways, so it's a 2021 mini spring swap, and basically everything's gonna be mini. And I did mention I was gonna show you guys a demo. This is not what I'm gonna give my partner, but it's just a demo of what I came up with last minute, because of course you guys know I have kids, I'm busy. Anyways, could have been cuter. It will be cuter once it is my original or my main one comes out. So anyways, so this is what I came up with. So as we had said, it was going to be three to five tags. They all need to be embellished, and one tag has to be a shaker. So this is the tags. There's one right here. There's my second one, and there's my third one, and then I did a fourth one, and here is my shaker. You guys could see this is my little shaker. And then we also had said that we were gonna have 2 mini bows and 2 mini rosettes. So these are my mini bows and these are my mini rosettes. So what I wanted to do, I wanted to incorporate them inside my flip tag. And then I made a little pocket back here, and I inserted extra bows, so whoever receives this will get extra bows that they can make themselves, as well as the rosettes. Yeah. So anyways, for these, let me go ahead and let you know how I did these. Basically, I went and got my rosette die, and then I had a piece of paper. Let me see how much it measures. I had 2 different sizes. I tried to make them the same. So let's go ahead and see. This one is about 6 3/4 inches in length. There you go. And then what I did, I went ahead and placed the paper. Let me show you this one since it's straight line. I went ahead and insert the paper. You guys see this right here? I insert the paper and left 2 of the bottom ones by themselves, and I just went ahead and aligned it, made sure it was straight, put my tape right here, ran it through the machine, and I ended up with these right here. So these are extra ones, so whoever receives this will have extra rosettes that they can make themselves as well. And then we also asked for a mini tassel, I can't even talk. So I made this one really quick. This was the last minute too. So there you go. So that's basically your 3 tags. One was supposed to be a shaker, and then the mini bows and the mini rosettes. And like I said, I wanted to implement them or make them part of the flip tag so it could look cuter, more fuller. And there you go. And then the mini tassel. And then I'm not showing you my crafter choice right now because I still don't know what I'm going to make, but it has to be something mini. It's up to you. And then 1, 2, 3 store-bought items. And I did want to show you guys the mini pocket letter. I did not create it as I would want to, because I do want to use it, and I did want to create the outside area, and this is the only one I have. So I do want to do stuff right here and create stuff out here, but this was just an example. So there you guys go. So hopefully you guys like my little project share, and for the ladies that are participating in this, thank you so much for being part of this swap. And like I said, it's not a lot. Look at you guys, it is not a lot. At first I thought it was going to be a lot, but as you guys saw, this actually took me a day and a half to make. But this is just like hurry up and get something done, instead of like, this is what I created. So my actual pocket letter, or my actual tag flip and pocket letter and everything, of course I won't have a reveal until the main reveal day. Okay, so anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. Hopefully you guys liked what I saw, and hopefully you guys got some ideas for future flip tags. And anyways, thank you again for taking the time to watch. We'll see you guys on our next video, and I will link Tree down on the description below so you guys could go over and check her channel out as well. Bye for now.